Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Why are you here today?
Well, I've been having thoughts of suicidal. Just wanted to talk about it.
Yeah. How do you feel about being suicidal?
Well, obviously not good. I mean, I want to kill myself.
How would you plan to kill yourself?
I wanted to hang myself from a tree once. My parents caught me in the making.
Why are you suicidal, Lindsay?
Because I have no friends.
Well, you know what you could do to help that? You could be less of a bitch. I mean, there's some slides I could show you on how to be friendly. You know, have you ever had a friend?
Not one.
Well, I'm your friend.